Hi, I'm Auntie Dawn. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm making peanut butter frosting. There are some foods that are just so calorie rich that it's a good thing they're hard to make. Croissants, for example, are full of butter, but they take time and skill to make, and so you're usually safe, at least in your own kitchen. Frosting generally stays in this category. Once you have to boil something, cool it, and then whip it, that's a recipe that's usually staying on the page in my kitchen. But there is a peanut butter frosting recipe that's easy and can make your day a whole lot sweeter. I start with store ground crunchy peanut butter, but if you like a smooth peanut texture, you'll want to start with a smooth peanut butter. So start by spooning a quarter cup of the peanut butter into a bowl and then add 2 tablespoons, that's about half as much, of butter. I like to use a salted cultured butter here. If both your peanut butter and your butter are unsalted, you'll want to add just a little bit of salt at the end. All right, now 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. All right, now mix. If these are all at room temperature, it'll be really easy, but even if they're straight from the fridge, it should still come together pretty easily. So you can see all of the different ingredients are coming together. Some of those bits of butter still want to remain on their own. It doesn't matter if there's a little bit of that, but the more you mix, the smoother it'll be. Okay, I'm going to give it a taste. Yeah, I think it could use a little bit of salt. So just a little bit. Mix it up a bit more. And there you have it. I would recommend that if you're using a corn syrup-based pancake syrup or an already sweetened peanut butter, that you probably use a little less syrup. Otherwise, the frosting could end up a little too sweet. This recipe makes a half cup of frosting, which is great if you've got a few cupcakes to frost, or if you're sharing it as a snack with some chocolate chips. But if you want to scale up and make enough to frost a cake, I would definitely recommend using an electric mixer. I love the crunch from the little peanut bits, and the maple syrup complements the peanut flavor perfectly. I hope you enjoy this frosting as much as I do. See you next time.